What's up, YouTube? We're the bill-paying hobbyists. I've got Ellie right back there, and I'm Michael. Have any Gettysburg enthusiasts? You'll want to come right back here right after this. Ready? Shop dogs. Shop dogs. Got both. Let's get to it. This week we have a special order pen using this Patriotic Junior Independence pen kit from Turner's Warehouse. Notice the 1776 on the end cap and "We Are the People" around the center band. We're pairing it with this label cast pen blank with a picture of the Battle of Gettysburg for the cap and a piece of witness wood from the battlefield. Witness wood comes from a tree that was standing during the time of that particular incident. This oak tree was claimed by a storm in 2002. The rings were studied, and the tree is estimated at 180 years old. In an effort to preserve a piece of history, a park employee legally acquired the wood, and here we have it. Both blanks came from Michael Harden at Stadium Pen Blanks. Hello, hello. Oh, I was in the wrong spot. So I was talking that whole time with no sound. Awesome. There it is, the Gettysburg, Battle of Gettysburg pen with witness wood. I feel kind of honored to make this one, and it was standing at the time of the Battle of Gettysburg.
So you chopped it down?
So I didn't chop it down, it fell down due to lightning, and one of the park employees was able to source some of the wood legally, properly, and then someone bought it from him. From my understanding, it comes with a COA that explains all of that, so the customer will get that. Has a nice little picture of the Battle of Gettysburg. You'll see those in the pictures. And this pen kit, really nice. It's a junior style pen kit. We Are the People, 1776, and antique. Is this brass? Yep, antique brass. Yeah, I feel special and honored, especially being an Army vet myself. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to know where to get this kit or the blanks, send us a comment. Write us a comment down below and we'll let you know where we got it from. And please subscribe. Did I say that yet? Nope. Please subscribe. It costs you nothing and it helps us out tremendously. Thank you so much. Hit a thumbs up. We really do enjoy the likes as well. And if you have some time, share it with your friends and family. That's always appreciated. Have a great week. We'll see you next week. Please do something nice for a veteran today. We love you.